It didn't start at my desk. It started as a pulse in a digital wind, a new era moving through the city long before I felt its impact. I didn't know it then, but this light was heading exactly where I needed it most. When it finally arrived, it found me in the middle of the noise. As the
I
virtual
understand your
property
concern,
claims
but we have a
adjuster,
high
I
volume of
was
calls.
drowning. My world was made of messy paper stacks and endless notifications, each one a reminder of how far behind I was falling. But the AI didn't come to replace me, it came to organize me. It turned my clutter into clarity. The paper vanished, replaced by translucent holographic monitors that finally let me see the solutions instead of just the problem. Technology handled the heavy lifting so I could focus on the people behind the claims. And when those monitors finally snapped shut with the claim result status, the work stays at the desk. Because the real goal isn't just efficiency, it's freedom. I'm reclaiming my time for the Arizona sun and the nature I love. I'll build in a life where I can finally bring home that German Shepherd puppy I've been dreaming of and spend my days on the trails. This is the AI driven life, and for me, it's just the beginning.